What's up? I'm Kaminski. This is my Behm signature frame with custom gyro and a couple other little secrets on there. This is my bike check. So up front we have Profile Elite front hub with RNC titanium bolts. We have a $sign valve cap, of course, because it's all about the details. Connected with titanium spokes and dead fast carbon rims and their new high mod carbon fiber. Stronger, but just as light. And then we have Odyssey R32 forks, the only forks that exist. If you run anything else, no point. A Bad Start Racing number plate with plenty of homie stickers. Sitting on my Behm bars with a custom gyro and the felt stem from about 2010. I got it. I believe I got it in a UGP giveaway. If you remember UGP, shout out. When we have a Behm frame, we have a Mike Aiken sticker. I keep him nice and close to my crotch where he's safe. We have Profile Elite cranks, my favorite cranks ever, with a custom machined 5-volt spider to take the 22mm insert, because Profile only makes 5-volt and 19mm. And that was so I could fit their new old stock downhill mountain bike chain ring, because it's cool. We just have an Odyssey seat with a Insight seat post. I had an Aiken seat on here, but we needed a little bit more meat for bar spins and stuff with the gyro. AVM pedals, Shimano DXR cranks with carbon fiber specific pads, another Profile Elite with RNC titanium bolts, tie spokes, and another dead fast rim just to cap it off.